Plastic. Imported. Supco. Brand name, Supco. Product dimensions, 12.0 by 2.0 by 12.0. Country of origin, Mexico. Manifold gauge hanger. Top reviews from the United States. Best investment ever. I am a HVAC R-Tech working from supermarket rack system to residential HVAC units. This thing made my life so easy. You don't have to look for any place to hook the manifold gauge anymore. Just wrap or stick the magnetic strap around anything metal. It is worth every penny. A great add-on to your gauge set. Works great. Magnet can be attached to any condenser or RTU and you do not have to worry about the gauges falling. Had the same thing but made by Yellow Jacket, but they don't make them anymore. These are just as good.